Welcome back to Scrively. After creating your characters, it's time to start working with your book content. Scrively will take you to the book content view where you can watch the magic unfold based on the details you've provided. When you're ready, click Got It. Next, you'll be able to select the language for your book. Choose from a wide range of supported languages and Scrively will automatically translate your story. You'll also see a targeted page count. If you like a different version of the story, you can regenerate it at any time. Scroll through the story to preview the entire book. At the bottom, you'll find the option to enable manual page break. When this setting is turned on, you can choose how many sentences to include on each page. If manual page break is turned off, you'll see an option in the top right corner that lets you set the number of sentences per page for the entire book automatically. Continue scrolling to view your book page by page. You'll also notice the manual image override option. We'll cover how to use this feature in an upcoming tutorial. Once you're happy with your story, scroll to the bottom and click Continue. Join us in the next tutorial where we'll explore the editor and show you how to customize your book even further.